Assalamu alaikum, Salam al Juma al Mubarak. My name is Hasnul Ismail. I'm originally from Singapore, but I live and work in Malaysia. I'm here doing a little short video on the Uyghurs in East Turkestan. Most of us are not aware who are Uyghurs and where is East Turkestan. They're actually located. East Turkestan is actually located in the west of China, which is known as the autonomous Xinjiang region. Currently, these Turkish-speaking people are actually being oppressed by the Chinese government because of who they are, what they are, and what they profess in religion. I think there's lacking of media coverage with regards to this, and it's actually very sad that this is actually happening, and we should actually be more supportive towards this cause, because hearing them in concentration camps, which is not so good. So please support them, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.